What if healing didn't take years and didn't require you to relive the pain? You opened this video with a goal in mind. Something about it resonated with you. Please stay until the end. Slipstream is fast. Invest 3 minutes with yourself. This is the third video in the 5-video series. You have tried various therapies, journaling, even affirmations, but the pain still lingers. You still feel like you are carrying something heavy, something you can't even name. Maybe you have tried meditating only to fall asleep or get frustrated because you think you're doing it wrong. Because you are very attuned to the energy around you and from others, the quantum room becomes a safe and happy place for you to be. It exists outside of time. You may feel like you've been there for hours when you've only spent a few minutes, or you may feel like you've been there for a few minutes when an hour has gone by. How would you like to step into a place beyond pain? Using the Slipstream Shaman method, you can quickly access a place of energy and spirit and do remarkable things for yourself and others. I'm going to demonstrate the first step in the Slipstream Shaman method. Everybody is different. Don't worry about being the same. You're going to find a temperature, colors, different things. Everybody's is different. Don't worry about this. I would like you to practice after the video ends, and please share what your energy felt like. You're going to find your energy. In the next video, I will introduce you to the space where true healing begins and how you can join us there. So what I would like you to do is bring your hands together. And as you do, you're going to feel energy here. You're going to feel pressure. And this energy might be cold. It might be hot. Everybody's is different. Don't worry about what it feels like. It's yours. Mine is very cool to the touch. And when I look at it, it looks like looking into deep space. Other people see gold, like a honey, blob of honey. Some people see streamers flying all over the place in different colors. Everybody's is different, and that's okay. Whatever yours is, just work with it until you feel that. Might be warm, might be cool. Take as much time as you need. And please, in the comments, write what your energy looked like and felt like so others can see what's going on. This will help everybody. Please share what you find. Let's walk this path together.